we've created a fantastic menu for you guys, and we're just going over it today, and I think you guys are going to be drooling. We're going to have a French chicken that we're going to do Italian style. French chicken just means that the wing bone is exposed. It looks real elegant. We're going to dredge it in a little bit of flour, saute it, and then deglaze it with some white wine, a little prosciutto, some peas, and a little bit of heavy cream. It's absolutely delicious.
Good. And a carving station?
At the very end, top round.
Grits you're bringing.
Shrimp and grits are absolutely fantastic. The shrimp are harvested locally right here in North Carolina. We get our grits from Anson Mills Farm, which are stone ground grits right here in North Carolina as well. A lot of bacon, scallions, tomato, cream, a little bit of sherry.
Amazing.
We're going to do some andouille stuffed mushrooms. We take what's called silver dollar mushrooms. They're really big, the biggest mushrooms you can get. Blanch them in a little court bouillon, chill them, and then stuff them with sausage, cheese, chives. Absolutely incredible. You guys won't be disappointed.